for the gods. Desperation has turned the man to beast.
Tommy, how do you want it? In peace or in pieces?
I will not do that. You have to unfreeze my account and give me my passport. What is it? Is it because is it my first to marry Frank? What is all this? This is rubbish.
I have done everything humanly possible to make you understand that life does not give you what you want, but what it demands. I brought you into this world. Don't let me take the juicy part of it from you. Frank and his people are coming to pay your breadcrumbs.
Everywhere scatter, scatter. Nobody knows who they shoot them from behind. Oh, betrayers. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Boom, boom, boom. They happen for the palace, yo. Come on, can't be slow. But one day.
Baby. Baby. Come on, wake up. It's almost midnight and I need to go home.
Oh, really? Are you not enjoying my company?
I'm enjoying it, but I guess you fell asleep and that's because you took much of the wine.
Yes. Yeah, I took a lot. Well, you could stay now, please. You just have to stay. Then first thing in the morning, you go. It's getting late already. It's not safe out there, you know that.
Yeah, I know, but I just...
But what? Tell me. Alright, don't worry. I have some t-shirts that you're going to wear. So you go into the bathroom and take your bath. I am not going to rape you. I'm seeing my flu.
Come on, I didn't say you were going to rape me.
Baby, please just stay back.
That's fine, it's okay.
Do it for mommy.
That's fine. Just get the t-shirts and...
Alright, no problem.
And get me a fresh towel too.
Yeah, I'll do that. Let me just rest my eyes.
Oh gosh. Don't start. Wakey, wakey. Come on, baby, don't do that.
What are you doing here at this time?
I know. I came here for a reason. It's for your safety, and you must do as I say.
What is going on for you to sneak out of the palace at this time? I know my life is at stake.
Listen, yes, it's for your safety. Alright? Frank is supposed to come for my introduction, but don't worry, I'm not going to get married to him. Listen to me. You need to listen to me.
Okay.
Okay, we had a bad deal in the past. Okay, I'm going to give you a code right now for you to call. When you call that code, Alpha Black Alpha. Alpha Black Alpha. I'll give you a number to call, and when you say that code, you cut. The person is going to call you back. He's going to wipe off everything. I'm telling you. Just listen to me.
I'm here.
The code is Alpha Black Alpha. This is the number. Raise your phone. He's going to wipe off everything we had. Okay? Okay, that's the code. Please, when you call Alpha Black Alpha, he knows what to do. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, I have to go. I'll see you later. I'll see you later.
Your Highness, I'm sorry, my people are coming on their way. You know, in my own moon and they need to prepare, they need to get the cows and all that. So, in no time from now, they'll be here.
It's okay.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah, man, I make you. Yes, I was telling you not to bother your head about the Kenya. The Kenya is a mad dog, but I will tell him. I have my trap set for him.
Your Majesty, we can't be keeping silence like this. Keeping silence will not do us any good. Let's do something.
Hold on. Where in God's name are you coming dressed like this?
Father, I went to take care of my personal stuff. Mr. Frank, you're here for the introduction, right? Why do you want to marry me when you know that I do not love you?
Genevieve, go upstairs and dress up. Please.
Father, dear father, I will when I'm done with you. Frank, have you told my dad what you are really up to? That it may interest you to know that Frank and I had an ugly past. Really ugly. Really ugly. Have you told my dad what you really do? I mean the business you do. What about your wife and your 2 kids? How are they?
Well, I married her for my papers, and we're divorced now.
It's alright. It is not a new thing. We all did that to get our papers. Some of us even had to pay. So go upstairs and get dressed. Don't keep us waiting.
I wasn't expecting anything less, Dad. Well, Dad, I'll tell you this. Frank killed my Arab boyfriend. He poisoned our drinks and tried to set me up because he knew you had connection with the Dubai government. Well, the Prince of Dubai was so merciful. I mean, he was so nice. He forgave me. And then he deported you, him, Frank. And he turned ugly. So you see that I cannot get married to a kidnapper. Nah. I will not. I will not sleep and wake up to such an evil man. You are terrible. Trust me. We have some guests.
Mr. Frank, the smooth criminal. We meet again. But this time, I come with evidence. Igwe.
Yes.
Igwe, I believe you will not want a kidnapper anywhere around your palace.
Oh, not at all.
Mr. Frank here has kidnapped and killed 16 persons.
What?
Yes. He has been on the watch list of the police. And now that we have enough evidence against him, we are here to pick him up. Mr. Frank, you are under arrest. This place has been surrounded, so any wrong move from you may attract their consequences. You have the right to remain silent, for anything you say or do may be used against you in the court of law.
Thank you.
Move in!
Get away! Go!
Move in!
Animal, go! You stink!
Move! And make sure you pull off his clothes. Move, move!
Ew!
Bloody criminal. Move it!
Bloody criminal! Criminal! Thank you, officer. So where are we, Daddy? You wanted me to get married to a kidnapper? Wow. How much you love your own daughter. I'll see you guys around. I need to go freshen up. Oh my days.
This is what I've been praying for. Now you have a great young man, upright. Now,
Mama,
you're welcome.
Thank you very much, Mama.
I and my husband, we are so happy to meet you. Rose has told us so much about you.
Oh.
Though good things.
Aha! Yes, thank you very much, Mama.
Nam. After this food now, we will go and see the Igwe. Igwe himself wants to host us because he's excited about the good news.
Really?
Yes.
I see.
Though you people are his children too.
Thank you very much, Papa. Thank you very much, Mama.
You're welcome.
I insisted on coming to meet the both of you. Reason being that I do not want to lose her, not to any man. Yes, Mama. And when next I'll be coming, there will be a proper introduction with my family members. Okay. Mama, Papa, this is just a little token for myself to you people. You know, you can restock maybe the beverages or even buy more pure water, you know.
Wow!
Please.
Ma'am.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Hey!
Nam. You are answered prayers.
Thank you very much, sir.
Rose.
Papa.
I told you. I told you that one day God will walk through you.
Amen,
what is
Papa.
happening now?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes, Papa.
It's okay. Anyway,
let's eat.
Mama, you should have allowed me now.
Oh, yeah, do it.
It's always your husband.
My
Desperation. Betrayal.
Your Highness! There was your daughter!
Yes. You know what? Next time, they won't be this lucky.
Your Highness!
I will do it again.
Your Highness, you shout at your daughter!
Yes. I warned her not to bring in that bastard into my house.
Your Highness!
She would not be lucky next time. I will do it again.
Good morning. Hope you slept well.
Ha! I slept like a baby. After 8 months of not seeing my son. Eh? Hey!
Mama, I hope you didn't miss your drugs yesterday.
Hey! After eating, Nnamdi wouldn't even let the food digest. He gave me my medicine. I finished everything. Eh?
I heard that your criminal son is back in this village. I beg you in the name of God, please tell him to stay away from our daughter, Rose. The engagement is broken. She is no more interested. Bam! So now he has returned as ex-convict. Anywhere he sees Rose, let him jump like wow.
Bam!
Let him not follow Rose again. Warn him for me.
You want to jump like wow. Oh, so you want somebody to jump like you because what you are is a wow. Look at you with a follow balonka. This is a capin. You come here to call my child an ex-convict. After killing his father, You thought you would be able to kill my son. We planned and connived and landed him in jail. But the good Lord that I worship saw him through. And now he's back.
Biko! We don't want anything called relationship with our daughter. It's all over. Neither does she want you. You are not a criminal. We don't call you thief. Yet, you were arrested and jailed for 8 good months.
Madam,
what again do you want?
Shut up!
Please and please.
Shut up and get out of my
Don't ever have anything to do with Rose. That's what I just came out. Yes, Rose is my daughter.
Rose with Caleb.
Beautiful Rose.
Let me tell you,
beautiful Rose.
Before I hit you with this. How dare you? Nanny, how dare you come here and talk about my son being a criminal? Criminals. My son is a clean man. Nenya, you are talking about Rose. That my son was managing. Who loves one? My loved one.
Managing?
Yes. My son was managing. In case you don't know, please get out of my compound.
Be warned. Stay away from Rose. Anywhere you see Rose.
Please, let's go away from this place. Let's go away from this place.
Never. I want Ambala. Look at them stupid people. I want Ambala. They are not even meant to be husband and wife. They don't know what No, it's not okay. Let me tell this woman the truth. This woman had no home. This man was mad in one corner. I saw her mad on the
heart of man is very dangerous. They were benefiting from you when you were doing okay. But now you are done. They are here to mock you. Don't let it bother you. And don't let it ruin your day. Mama,
you can find a legal times 2 to the 4th degree.
Amen.
Man, be for high BP now. I want Ambala. Okoyibo. Because of Okoyibo. Now no Okoyibo. Nonsense. Tell me, come on. On a dish shop. Sit down with your mother. Go on there when you're there. Sit down with your mother. Hey! I'll call you one or kill you. Oh, then you're turning up on country mouse. Not village mouse.
Mama, what
you going to please and spend your
Reverend, Nnamdi is back. And that is victory number 1. We have succeeded in securing his release. It remains to get his mandate back so that he can sit on the throne as the Igbo of this community. You see what happened? They killed his father and sent him to die in prison, hoping that his mother will die of heart attack so nobody will challenge him to sit on his throne. But they never envisaged that Ikenga will be back. So my people said, police
Left for me, I would say let's sheathe our sword and see how we can help the young man get back on his feet again. Psychologically, he needs reorientation and some little assistance from us.
Reverend, the job is divided in parts. You have your part to play, and I have mine to play. What is there that you face your part and play your part? And that your part is to go down on your knees and pray to your God to give us victory. The fighting aspect of it, leave it to me. Ikenga, I know how to fight that battle. Reverend, take this, just like I'm saying. This money is for your God. Tell him that I visited his house this morning. Please help me beg him to help Nnamdi and his mother and end their suffering. Yes, he should help me also and protect me in this fight. He has your voice more than my own, Ikenga. You are close to him, he's your master.
let your offering be accepted. May he shield you from every arrows of your enemies.
Amen.
And make the fight easy for you.
Amen. Reverend, also tell your God to destroy and disgrace those that took something that belonged to Namdinike. Let him disgrace them so that this fight will come to an end.
Quest for power, quest for power.
But if you concentrate on what people are saying, you won't move on. You have to start from somewhere. Anything you can lay your hands on. You know, you already know I sell firewood for your mother. But if you want to take over the business, it's okay. Except you want to try something else.
Everything was taken away from me. My life savings. Everything gone. My account is empty. I've been thinking I'll go back to the city to search for something to do. I'm thinking of starting a transport business, but I'll have to raise money to do it. This business you're talking about is my mother's business. I want my own so I can take care of myself and my mother.
Yes, I understand you. But if you go and they don't help you, don't feel bad about it. Okay? You know, when one door closes, another one opens. Yes. Meanwhile, Ichie King has been going around campaigning for the throne that Onwa took from you. He said he will not rest until he sees you sit on that throne.
I'm not interested. No, I'm not. The same throne that took my father's life, you expect me to fight for it? I can't do that. Onwa should calm down. You'll be okay. You'll be fine.
I still understand you. But has Onwa sent for you since you came back?
No. I've not seen him. I expected him to pay me a visit in jail, but he didn't. So I don't really care. There's no point. He doesn't exist to me. I'll be fine without him. Yeah.
It's okay. Okay? I know you'll bounce back. It's okay.
But now is the story for the gods. Desperation has turned the man to beast. Aye, they will do anything just to test the power.
My father did this to you? My father did this to you? My own father did this to you? No. He has crossed the line. He has gone too far. Oh God.
Aye, they will do anything just to test the power. They will kill anybody to have power. That is evil. Remember, now watch us on Aga Gupano Milo. Aye, the quest for power, the quest for power. Aye, the quest for money.
Are you okay? Is everything fine with you?
What is wrong with you? Get out of my way, you irritate me.
Come on, here we go again. Jenny, why do you have to be like this all the time? Huh? I'm only trying to know how you're doing. That's all.
Stay on your lane and mind your damn business.
You know you shouldn't talk to your stepmother like that.
Yeah.
Shoot them from behind. Betrayal. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Boom, boom, boom. They happen for the yo. Karma can be slow, but one day it will find you.
Baby, I'm thinking. And neither am I hiding from anybody. Allow me to celebrate you in the way that gladdens my soul. I mean, allow me to celebrate you in the grand style. Okay? Okay, you know what? I'm thinking I'll be putting 700K for a start. And then a few days to our wedding, I'll put in 1 million naira.
You and I know that our budget is just $1 million.
It doesn't matter.
Here.
Is there a problem spoiling my girl the way I want it? No way.
Sweetheart, please. I don't want me to kidnap me. Me to kidnap any of my parents because of one wedding thing. Please.
I am your friendly superhero. Neighborhood at that. So
the only
come
superhero
on.
we could shift Joe Jackie Shaw. Okay,
That's fine. So what's going on? How's work going?
Fine. Just let's talk about you.
Igwe, the way things are going on in this village, I believe that Ikenga has a hand in this. And we can't just watch him destroy your reputation and the good you have done for our people. What is the meaning of all this? Now, people are murmuring at us and also ridiculing us.
It's your name. Ikenga is not my problem now.
Ikenga, why are you antagonizing me?
How do you mean, antagonizing you?
What do you want from me? Almost all the elders in this community are my friends. Why are you making yourself my enemy?
Onwa, go straight to the point. I don't understand what you are saying. If you have anything to tell me, open up and tell it to me.
Ikenga, you go about saying that this crown on my head, that I am not supposed to wear it, that I am not supposed to be the Igwe of this community. Ikenga, why?
Onwa, you are too big to listen to gossips. Onwa, don't gossip. If I want to talk to you, I'll talk to you face to face. And we are standing face to face. So I can tell you my mind, Onwa. And I'm saying it to you, that this crown, you are not the rightful owner. You are not the rightful head to wear it. Yes. It's not for you. You took it from the rightful owner and you have to return it to the owner.
Ikenga, who is the rightful owner of this?
Ichiobi, the man that you killed, is the rightful owner of this crown. It's not you.
Do Do you have a proof? Can you prove that I killed Ichuebi?
Onwa, if you want me to prove it, you will rot in jail. You now have the connection to do that. You know I can.
Ikenga, I have tied almost all the roots in our community. Most of our youths are enjoying my scholarship program. And here you are, saying that I am not supposed to be on this throne?
Onwa, do you think that because you tarred roads? Look at this road, is it tarred? You did not tar this one, Onwa. What are you saying?
I cannot tar all the roads at the same time.
Oh, and you are bragging you tarred almost all of them. And you think that won't make you to wear the crown? This crown is traditional. There is tradition to follow to wear this crown. You don't just come because you tarred road, you give scholarship, you want to wear the crown. No, I will not be alive to see you be the king of this community. You won't. We have to follow it traditionally.
I don't rant. You will not see me coming.
Onwa, I am Ikenga, a retired general in the Nigerian army. Let's watch and see. I will get this throne out of your head. Whether good or bad, you will wear it out. Alive or dead, that crown will come out of your head. Rubbish.
Counter his allegations. Just do anything. My daughter is my problem. That cheeky boy has succeeded in brainwashing her against me. He had the guts to enter my palace last time, and I taught him a lesson he would not forget in a hurry.
You have to be careful the way you deal with this matter. I believe maybe you can send your daughter to London, where the boy will not see her again. Or you buy him off by making him an offer that he will never reject.
My daughter is already pregnant for him. I just wonder how she allowed that to happen.
Igwe, tread with caution in this case. You can't fight love. This is love.
What stupid love are you talking about? She will have to abort that bastard in the womb. Yes. I know what that boy wants to do. That boy wants to be part of my dynasty. I know his plans, but I will not allow him cajole me into accepting him as part of my family. Never.
Let's see how we handle this. Like I said, this is love we are talking about. But we see what we can do.
Enough of that. Enough.
Morning, sir. How are you? Fine, sir. I was on my way to your house, sir.
My house?
Yes, sir.
Oh, there's no problem.
No, sir. Mazi, I only wanted to tell you that I don't want any royalty. I'm not interested. I just want any assistance I can get so I can start up a transport business. I want to hire a tricycle so I can start making money to take care of myself and my mother. So, you know, I submitted my CV to several companies and I haven't heard anything from them. So in the meantime, I just want to start doing something small.
Now, you know what? I will help you.
Thank you, sir.
I will help you. Whatever help you need, I will help you. Again, I will help you recover your throne. Listen, one don't run away from his rights. That throne rightfully belonged to your father. Your father was a good man. He visited me 3 times before I traveled, only to come back now and hear that he's dead.
which I don't know what really happened. But I will get to the root of it. I want to know what happened to him. So you don't have to be afraid. That throne must come back to you. It belongs to you. Listen, Onwa can never rule this community. Yes, he will be disgraced. I will make sure he leaves that throne dead or alive. You don't have problem, okay?
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir.
And the next thing, see me tomorrow morning. We go to the bank together and we solve the tricycle issue. Just my regard to your mother.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Mazi, sorry, I got this wine for you.
Oh, don't forget about the wine. Just keep your wine. You have no problem. Tomorrow we see, okay?
No problem, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
It's okay, Tony. It won't. Tomorrow morning, make sure you go there and see him. Please.
He said I should come
in the morning. In the morning.
When we finished at the bank, he asked me to follow him. To my greatest surprise, he took me to where they sell this and he bought one for me.
Wow!
You see, he even said I should not bother paying him back the money. I should use it for business.
Hey, just like that?
Just like that.
Hey! What our God cannot do does not exist. You see, we have to celebrate this in a big way.
Of course.
But first of all, you drop me off at the market. Then you take this keke to the reverend and your mother, so that they will bless it. The hand of God will be upon this business.
No.
Yes.
Ne, you have to come with us. Yes. You have to come with me. We have to go to the reverend first before I take you to the market. But first I'll pick Mama so we can all go together.
Okay, anything for you, no problem. Let's go. Our keke has alright. That's how I do ride.
Come down! Stop!
Is he dead? Is he dead?
He's dead though. He's dead. Please, let's leave this.
Wait! Maybe you need our help.
Who needs whose help? Let's leave here.
Are you sure he doesn't need our help?
Let's go, nothing.
Was that not Mazi?
You want to die?
No, they dragged him to that.
You want to die? Come on.
Come now. Maybe he needs our help. these phones and his card. You waste this man here.
Please, who sent you? I will double any amount he gave you, please. We don't need you. You're a very wicked man. What? This man carry all this shoe. You see? You can't keep me. See, I will give you 50 million each. Who sent you? I will give you 50 million each.
You know how many souls you have wasted? You know how many people you have killed? You deserve death. You deserve death. You don't deserve to live on this earth.
50 million.
50 million.
Yes.
I want to give you 50 million.
Yes. Please. I will give you more.
Give me 50 million.
Yes.
Give me 50 million. Take that 50 million. Let's go.
We cannot be here.
Hey!
Hey! God. He's really dead.
Hey!
He's bleeding.
Yeah, I know now. I can see.
Maybe he needs our help.
Help!
Yes.
Oh, wait. Here. Want us to die?
Come on. He's still breathing. Yes.
Nandi, what are you doing here?
Your father. Your father was robbed and shot. Yes, but by hoodlums. We saw him. Then we realized he's still breathing. We had to bring him to the hospital. Your father.
Look at the video. My father deserves to die. Yes. After everything he did to you, you save him? My father killed your father. And he tried to kill you. Yet you saved that man. My father is a wicked man. He is wicked. He wanted to wipe off your family and then take over the throne. Save him. What is wrong with you?
It's okay. Please forgive him. It's the handwork of Satan.
The Satan I know is my father. He's the only Satan I know. He killed my mother. And then he shot me and my fiancé. He sent some men to beat up Chike. And Chike almost died in this hospital. And you tell me to forgive him? I can never forgive him. I will never forgive him.
This is pure wickedness. I don't know what people gain from doing evil. Father, you want us to forgive him. And you also want Nnamdi to forgive the man that killed his father. Oh, come on, Father, now. Come on. That man deserves to rot in hell.
Thank you.
That is his place.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
God is not in support of evil. Neither is he happy with the wicked. He punishes the wicked if they don't repent. That is why Jesus died for our sin on the cross of Calvary. Even the thief on the cross received salvation. Your father can receive salvation if repent and receive Jesus.
We were asked to wait outside. Where's Chike? Can we see him now?
He's inside.
My queen. What? What is it? Who's pursuing you?
My queen. My queen. The king has been kidnapped and shot. At hospital. My king. No! Are you okay? My queen. My queen, are you okay? Oh my God. Are you okay? This man! My queen. Are you okay? This man! Ladies! Ladies! Take me to the hospital! This man! This man! Help! Ladies!
Ikenga. Okwalo. I don't know the people that want to kill our Igwe. Huh? Who are the people behind this evil? Huh? They want to kill. In fact, it will not be well with all these people that are planning to kill Igwe. All of them will suffer the consequences. It will never be well with them.
Honorable, you are the one that will suffer the consequences of all the evil you have committed in this community. Honorable, oh, you think that people will not know what is going on? You think that people will just... This is just the beginning. You people connived and killed an innocent man, and you think you go scot-free. It's not possible. You will suffer. And I will make sure of that.
Ikenga. Okay, Ikenga, you think I did not know that you are the brain behind all this evil? Huh? Since you came back to this village, you set this village on fire. Everywhere you are campaigning against our Igwe. Let me tell you, don't think that I will keep quiet. Huh? I will visit 7 shrines to make sure that this your head roll on the ground.
Honorable, you have not even started. You have not started. Listen, you are the next in line. The next person that will die is you. All of you that committed this atrocity. But you will see from me. Listen, we are talking of only 7 shrines. Visit 14 shrines. 1,000 shrines. I am Ikenga. I am your nightmare. Your people's nightmare. I will make sure and deal with all of you. All of you will suffer what you have done.
Ikenga, deal with your...
Deal with all which people. Honorable,
what do you mean? Honorable, how dare you talk to me like that?
Do you know what you just did? You slapped me.
I have slapped you again.
Eh? Honorable, you are not afraid. Eh? Go down there.
Ikenga,
go down, my friend. Go down. Go down.
Ikenga,
go down.
I did not when I
lie down. I say lie down.
It wasn't me that slapped you, Ikenga.
Who?
Ikenga, I didn't slap you.
If you open your mouth again, I will just
Ikenga.
I will just empty this gun on your head.
Please forgive me.
Lie down there. Stop talking.
Tamper justice with mercy, Ikenga. Ikenga, please.
You slap me by error.
Ikenga.
You will die by correction.
I didn't know when I did it.
Hello? Musa? Yes? This is Colonel Ikenga, retired Colonel Ikenga. Yes. Get me your boys. A truckload of your boys. Bring them to my village now.
Ikenga.
That this bastard I want to teach a lesson.
Ikenga, Biko.
Yes. Get them here. Fast!
Ikenga.
Honorable.
Please, don't kill me for my
Ijechalo Fogola. Honorable, you're not afraid. You bloody civilian. Slap me. A colonel. Shut up. I said shut up. Shut up. Shut up.
Don't kill me for my wife and my...
Please shut up. Eh? You will see what will happen to you today. You have the temerity, the effrontery to slap me. Ha! You just bought your coffin. Sit down there. Stay there. Stay there. Shut up, you coward. Shut up. You bloody civilian. Shut up. If I hear PM from your mouth, I will just blow your brain off. You are not afraid. Eh?
It's been a crazy life. Seriously. Igwe hates me with passion.
The man hates me because my father refused to work with him. My father was strangled in his room. After he confronted him, Igwe wants to take up the throne against our traditions, so my father refused and he killed him in his room. It's crazy. I'm short of words. Where would it lead us to?
Thank God you are alive. Ndubuisi.
Yeah, sure.
Life is the most important thing. You're going to live long. And everything will be fine. Nay, you have to go to my place and tell my mother what's been going on.
No, why don't we go together? You know, we need to change our clothes and have our bath. We've done our best. The doctors can handle the rest. Let's go.
You guys can go and clean up yourselves now. I believe the queen will be here soon.
Alright. Thank you. Get well soon.
Sure.
We have a lot to do.
Sure.
Right, take care of yourself.
There's something wrong.
Thank God you are alive.
Is a word to you. But next you try this shit you just did right now, it's gonna be very bloody. Are you threatening me? Are you threatening me? Stay away from me. Where exactly is he?
You can't see him now.
What do you mean we can't see him?
His condition is very bad.
Wait, how long have they been here?
Like 2 hours now.
2 hours?
What is happening? Oh, yes, it's here for like 2 hours.
Doctor! Sorry.
Sorry.
Doctor!
Someone should help her now. Maybe look at her, she's bleeding. Oh my God. Sorry. You have to help her, please.
Read about the attack on His Highness. Out of shock, she fell and began to bleed. We had to rush her here. Where's the doctor, please?
Take her inside. Go and help her.
Hello, Mama. I'll get it back. What is it? Yes.
Who? With an old soldier? Hey! Okay. It's fine. Mama, I'll call you back, please. What happened? My father just fought with an old soldier. They said they were having an argument and then he tried to hit the man and Jesus Christ. The man came and sent his boys to beat up my father. My father would argue with an old soldier for crying out loud.
Just listen, calm down. I don't know why everything is happening at the same time. The king in the hospital, and now your father being beaten up by the soldiers. I'm sorry.
I don't know, baby. I don't know what's happening. I don't know what's happening. I think I'm losing it right now. I'm losing it. Alright. Okay, we need to start going. Let's go, please. Let's go.
Where are you rushing off to?
Have you not heard?
Heard what? That you saved that man that almost killed you? Is that what you're asking if I've heard? I have heard. Just respect yourself. If that's where you're rushing to go and help someone, better carry your body inside. Eat, sleep and rest. One name.
Oh, it's okay. Namdi, I know you have a good heart, but you don't have to feed the dog that will bite you tomorrow. Go and rest. Nana have already told us everything that happened. She even played the video for us. Stay away from them now. Bikono, respect your mother.
Mama, I've heard you, but I have to quickly pick up Nena from the market. Besides, Mama, you have to pray on this tricycle. That is what Nena said.
That is what Nena said. The Nena you want to go and pick from the market is already at home cooking.
Huh?
Yes. I know what you're planning. You want to carry this keke out to go and look for a Rose or Buria. No, that is it. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Rose that is getting married to a colleague of yours. You're still thinking about her. Oh, so you're still in love with her. Biko, Nam think that you're a fool. Oh. I don't want to think that Mamu is not sensible enough, please.
Mama, it's okay. I've heard you. I'm not going out anymore. But you still have to pray. Mama, and you also have to follow me to Mazi Ikenga. He surprised me with this, and I need to appreciate what he has done. And you also need to follow me to him, please.
Namdi, I'm sure that if he had, you use the same keke that he bought for you to rescue Igwe. Hey, he won't find it easy with you.
I know what my son wants. My son wants to go and check out Okwaro's. Anyway, you see what is happening to that man. This is just the beginning. All of them that planned against us, they will suffer one by one. One by one. Nezianu Papa Gadafia, that man that came here to warn that he doesn't want my son to talk to Rose. All of them are there now, suffering.
My sister, the wife is crying up and down.
Okay, baby.
Looking for who to help them, Beggy Kenga.
I know Rose's father is in military custody.
Not just apprehended, cool off. Crying like a baby, jumping like Wawa, which is what he is. Please, don't ever mention that name Rose around here if you want peace to reign. Now, if you focus on God, every good thing will come your way. Even Bible say hand for a hand. All come and one name.
Your wounds are healing fast. Thank God.
I'm the man with 9 lives.
Look at that. Bonnie, seriously, babe, I was so scared.
Really?
Yes, I cried my eyes out. Even the doctor, he warned me that I should be careful because of my condition.
Sorry.
Baby, I've loved just too many in my life. The first one died. And now you? I wouldn't be able to live without you. I'm serious.
You know it's not possible. It's not possible. I'm not going anywhere. I'm here with you.
I know. Babe, I'm sorry. I forgot.
Aye.
Sorry. 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 I'm sorry.
You don't understand.
I know. I'm sorry. It wasn't intentional.
I've heard.
So have you eaten? Let me get you food.
Okay, food. I still have money in my account, so you can still use my ATM card.
Who needs your money? I will get you food with my money.
Right.
Yes. I love you.
Everywhere scatter. Nobody knows who they shoot them from behind. Oh, betrayals. Kitty. Gong. They happen for the palace, yo. Come on, can't be slow. But one day,
yes, I want the village square.
Village square?
Just follow like this, you see.
This one?
Yes.
Thank you. I'm tired. Village square.
Where is Rose? I don't know her whereabouts. I am so tired. I went to Ikenga's house to look for my husband. I didn't see him there. Nobody knows where he is. As I'm speaking to you now. Even the barrack where they took him to, I don't know. I don't know what to do.
Let's see if we can find Rose. Let's take care of the situation.
I almost lost my life when I heard he was
Thank God you are still alive. But whatever that is happening to my father, he deserves it. Yes, my father is a wicked man. A father that tried to kill his own daughter. Is that a father? Look at Nnamdi that saved him. Tried to kill him. See here, whatever that is happening to him, like I said, he deserves it 100%. In fact, what is coming for him? If you're not there careful, you will wait.
That is it. Remember, now what you're so
you are still speaking English. See, I don't even know why God will make this happen to me. I hate him. Wicked man. Look at him. No, look at him. He killed my father. He wants to kill his own daughter. After shooting me and Chidi, he had the guts to send his boys. What did that man do to him? Tell me, what did that man do to him when he was his father? Let him die.
Everywhere scatter. Nobody knows who they shoot them from behind. Oh, betrayal. Kitty. Gong. They happen for the palace, yo. Everywhere
I've not seen this son before. Nah. Namdio. Often one jajamba. Hey, do we go and find out what is eating him? Okay. Yes, it's not like him now. But maybe I'll allow him to settle. Let the anger, whatever it is, come down. I'll talk to him later. Okay.
Nena, it's been over 2 years now and you even refuse to see me. I came back to Nigeria last year and you refused to honor my invitation.
So here I am now, Ike. What do you want from Nena?
Many, but just a 10. I want you to be my girlfriend and I'm serious about it.
So you ain't married in US?
No, I'm not.
You mean to tell me in the whole of Houston you didn't see any woman to marry? And is this village graduate that sells firewood for her mother?
Nena, you see, I'm done with school. I went for my master's and I'm back to handle my family business. You know, I met a lot of girls, but you know, they say when a man wants to get married, he comes back home to search for a good woman that will handle his home. How many girls will sell firewood and still be proud of it at this stage?
I'm very proud of it. My mom trained me from that business. See, Ike, I barely know you, okay? And I don't follow all this social media hypes and noise. So, don't tell me because you feel like sell firewood for my mother, I'm a good girl.
Just tell me the truth. Are you in a serious relationship or you're engaged to anyone? Just tell me.
I am not. I am not engaged to anybody and I'm not seeing anyone. I don't have strength for drama. I know what men of these days want, but I don't give them the chance. I don't struggle for men.
I'm not one of those men that you've seen. Before I came to look for you, I've done some background research on you. Alright? Even my mom became one of your customers.
Really?
Yes. The woman that came to patronize you every 2 weeks that drives black Toyota. She's my mom.
Wait, the woman from Ogidi?
Oh, yes.
Hey, good. Wonder shall never end.
Do you know, I was aware that your aunt was sick and you're taking care of her. I sent my mom 200,000 to give to your mom for your aunt. I even paid 200,000 to the hospital. But I asked the doctor not to mention my name. You think I'm not serious with you and I will be doing this whole thing?
Are you for real? You mean you did all this and yet your mother never mentioned you to me?
I asked her not to.
Why?
I'm also aware that you and Nnamdi, the son of the woman, are close friends. You both grew up together. Oh yes. When a man knows what he wants, he goes for it. And that's exactly what I'm doing. Like I said, I'm back to handle my family business. Money wouldn't be a problem.
Okay. I don't know what to say to you. I don't know. I don't know.
Listen, Nina, I understand how you feel. Alright? Just take your time. Okay?
Okay, it's okay. Just...
From what we've observed so far, you have to fly him abroad. Or take him to Abuja if you don't have money for that. Because we don't have the life support machine to sustain him in this hospital here.
Yeah, we were actually planning to fly him to London next week. He was supposed to go see his doctors. We already got our tickets. So I'll just have to call them now to ask what the whole treatment would cost.
Okay, no problem.
God will have mercy on him. We'll pray for speedy recovery
Please. I do not want anybody to know about this arrangement. You know, my husband, he's got a lot of enemies. I don't even know most of them. Please help us. I mean, he's not even in good terms with his own daughter. Please, do keep this a secret, please.
Okay, no problem with that. I'll try as much as possible to make this a secret, okay?
Thank you. Am I free to go now?
Yeah, sure, you're free. Please don't forget the drugs I prescribed. Go to the pharmacist and get them, okay? Yeah.
Thank you so much.
It's okay. God is in control.
Amen. Thank you so much, Reverend. Thank you for coming.
Who do we have here? Who is your guest?
Mama, this is Ike from Ogidi. Mama, remember that our customer, the one that drives the black Toyota, the one that comes to buy firewood?
Yes. This
is the son. He just came back from Houston. Yes, Mama.
My son, you're welcome.
Thank you, Mama.
How is your mother?
Oh, she's doing great.
You're welcome.
Ma is a man Nande.
Oh, she's fine. She's sleeping.
Okay.
Yes.
Ma, remember that time I was in the hospital taking care of her?
Yes.
He paid the 200,000 naira hospital bill. The mother told him now, and he forwarded the money to the doctor, and they told them not to let us know. I just found out recently. I had to bring him here. I said, no, he must come here and see people before he leaves.
My son, God will continue to bless you. Devil came to destroy, but God intervened. Now my friend is stronger and better. Yes. Thank you very much.
No problem. All thanks to God Almighty. What about Nnamdi? Is he around?
He's inside.
I heard everything. Thank you for your kindness.
Nice to meet you, Nnamdi. I heard everything. Nina told me all that happened. Nnamdi, you see, I want you to know that everything that happens for good. What doesn't kill us will make us stronger. Right. Alright? I was about leaving while she insisted I have to come here and see every one of you, most especially you. Alright? I have to be on my way now.
Like I said, thank you for your kindness.
Alright, Mama, let me see him off. Okay. I'm coming.
Bye-bye.
Why did you bring a stranger to my father's house?
Wait, Nnamdi, what is eating you up? That I brought a guest here? The same person that helped clear your mother's medical bill. And out of excitement, I brought him here to meet you and your mother. What is your problem?
Out of excitement, you brought him here to meet myself and my mother. Why did you not tell me you were expecting a stranger? I was supposed to pick you up from the market. I got to the junction and I saw you entering another man's car. Swear that you didn't see me. Deny that you didn't see me.
Nnamdi, something is definitely wrong with you. I did not see you. Neither did you call me they were coming to pick me up. What is your problem? Oh, are you jealous? Wait, what am I to you? Am I your girlfriend? Open up now so that I will know. The same you that told Rose at the hospital that you love her. You were even crying after she insulted you. Or have you forgotten what she told you?
Is that why you brought him here? You brought him to hurt me, didn't you?
What do you take me for? A fool that stood by you and took care of your sick mother while you were languishing in prison. In front of me, you told that ex of yours that is getting married to your rival that you love her. The little appreciation I should get from you, I couldn't. And you are standing here to tell me nonsense. What do you even take me for?
Do you know how painful it is? Huh? To see the person you love turn to an enemy? Do you know how painful it is to see the person you love with a rival? Listen, I was hurt.
Could you hear yourself talk? As in, are you making sense right now? So how do you expect me to react? Well, it's obvious you know where your heart is. You are now jealous that another wants me? The same you that is in love with Rose. Did I stop you from dating her? See, look, you don't downgrade me and still expect me to smile with you. No.
Are you dating him? Is that why you brought him here?
That is none of your business, Nnamdi.
Okay.
It's not.
All right.
Nena, what is going on here? Huh? What is going on here? And who is that boy to you? Are you dating him?
Mama, I am not dating anybody. Neither am I dating Nnamdi. What is all this? Please, now, don't ever contact me again. I'm out of here. Excuse me.
Babe, drive safely. I have to stay back with Mama since the general said he will release him tomorrow.
It's okay, yeah? It's okay, but I do not want you to think too much. Alright, Mama, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Would you need anything?
No, I just want you to call me when you get home, please.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Alright, take care of yourself, man.
Alright.
Mama, for me, yeah?
Drive safely.
Thank you very much, Mama.
Son, drive safely.
Thank you very much. Take care of Mama, okay?
I'll miss you.
I'll miss you too.
Bye.
You never told me anything about this boy.
What is there to say, Mama? I just met him. I've known him for 2 years. We've known on Facebook. And I'm just meeting him for the first time here. Do you have any problem with that?
You are very angry with Nnamdi. Huh?
Mama, I've said this before. And I'm saying it again. I don't want to talk about this. Nnamdi is in love with Rose, who is engaged to be married. See, I'm not against his choice, so yes, it's his decision. But I cannot be here for someone whose heart belongs to someone else. Please, Mama, I am tired of that. I can't deal with it anymore.
Okay, what about Ike? Why did he visit you?
Mama, Ike and his mother have been doing some background checks on me to see if I'm real or not. The mother comes here at times to buy firewood. Unknown to me, she has been keeping tabs on me. Well, I'm not dating the son, but he came to make his intentions known.
Hey! So this Ogidi woman have been spying on us all this while. And I didn't know. Huh? Hey!
If you are the one, Mama, would you want your son to fall into the wrong hands? No, now. Every mother wants their child to be with the right person. Well, thank God Nnamdi is back. And the mother is well and strong now. So he can continue from where we stopped, Mama. Yes. And please, Mama, please do not send me to that house again.
Hey! Has it gotten to that point?
Yes, Mama.
Is it because Ike came from US? You want to focus on him and end your friendship with Nnamdi?
Is that? Mama, you still don't get it. Nnamdi is in love with Rose. And he's man enough to know what he wants. I can't be here for him, whereas his heart is with someone else. Please, Mama, leave me. I'm just tired of all this. Let me breathe. Allow me, please.
Hey, I know what I'm saying. Hey.
Mama, Maka, Biko, just up, Maka. I'm going out.
Hey. Sakwanya, this girl will not kill me. Eh? Hey!
Them say we no go marry you, Makaikini.
This man is very wicked.
How can Ikenga?
This man is
instructed his useless boys to beat you up like this? What kind of a human being is he?
That man is very wicked.
Ndo. Sorry. Ndo. Stop jumping now. Ndo. Sorry.
Thank God for the policemen. They chased them out of the hospital. But unfortunately, they couldn't get them. But what I suggest is this. You have to take him out.
It's so terrible, Doctor. So terrible. Maybe they got information that he has not died and they came here to finish him. But they came late.
Yeah, that's true. Well, the ambulance will be here soon. And I make reservations for a doctor inside the ambulance.
Oh, thank you.
To help with emergency. Okay, and you need security too.
Yes, we have arranged for that. We have 3 trucks coming with us to the airport, all the way from here.
Perfect.
I have also seen your accountant. It's all been cleared. Yes.
Thank you, thank you. Well, I wish you guys good luck, okay?
Thank you.
I have other patients to attend to.
Thank you so much for your help. You have been so wonderful to us. God bless you.
Remember, you need security.
Yes, we're on it.
Okay, bye.
Thank you, Doctor. Hello, Jenny.
Don't keep me in the dark, the policeman you saw last night, Derek, you saw last night, that brother, in as much as I hate my father, we don't do things without letting me know. There's nothing that goes on here that I don't know.
My dear, it's not what you think, okay? It's not. I was only trying to be careful. You know your father, he's got enemies. I mean, who's who? We do not know. Okay? Meanwhile, the IG called and he said he has sent a team to do a proper investigation. There may be some arrests and questioning. And according to him, they have an insider who's giving them information. So that's a good thing for us. Jenny.
I come in? I don't need any explanation from you, Nnamdi. Just keep your explanations to yourself. You are just a dubious liar.
I heard that your criminal son is back in this village. I beg you in the name of God, please, tell him to stay away from our daughter, Rose. The engagement is broken. She is no more interested. Bam! So now he has returned as ex-convict. Anywhere he sees Rose, let him jump like wow.
Bam!
Let him not follow Rose again. Warn him for me.
You're going to jump like wow. Oh, so you want somebody to jump like you because what you know is a wow. Look at you with a phone balonka. This is a capin. You come here to call my child an ex-convict. After killing his father, you thought you would be able to kill my son. Unwa plan and connived and landed him in jail. But the good Lord that I worship saw him through. And now he's back.
Biko! We don't want anything called relationship with our daughter. It's all over. Neither does she want you. You are not a criminal. We don't call you thief. Yet, you were arrested and jailed for 8 good months.
Madam,
what again do you want?
Shut up!
Please and please.
Shut up and get out of my
Don't ever have anything to do with Rose.
Don't leave me alone. What is wrong? What's wrong? Are you stupid? Now take your time. What was the meaning of this?
I'm sorry.
You're sorry for what?
Man, what is going on here?
Can you imagine?
Did he touch you? Did he touch her? Listen, you want to show yourself, eh? You want to show yourself. Listen, read my lips. Stay away from her.
Them say, who the couple feet to make him wear the crown? But now is the story for the gods.
You're messing with your head. Very soon, you will lose the best treasure that you have in your life. Are you going to stand here and allow another man to take over? I look at you and I laugh. You don't even know what you have. I mean, look at me. Just look at me. I don't even know which drugs to take. Even if you bring one out here, I won't even know the number of drugs to take for the day. You're here thinking of sophistication and class. What is that? That's not the kind of woman you need. You need a virtuous woman. A woman that will stand by you through your shame and the darkest part of your life. Not this sophisticated nonsense that doesn't even consider. Anyway, if you like to stand there, take your time and you'll end up losing her. Let me tell you, Nella is the right woman. Better sit up before it is too late. If you lose that girl, you will be miserable for the rest of your life. Ask Conan and I worry.
I wish all this would go. Is it because I saw my
Come on, come be slow. But one day, it will find you. The quest for power.
Thank you so much. You've been a blessing to this family.
Mama.
Again.
No, it's not a problem. Well, we have to run along and stop by the hospital to check on the thing and then hurry back to the city because we have workload of jobs waiting for us.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Please take care of Papa for me.
Mama, Papa, Biko, Kwan, please. See, I don't like what I'm seeing. I'm not happy. Just don't involve yourself in all this nonsense politics now. You know I have to go back to work and concentrate. Biko, you have to stay well, baby. Let's go, please.
The politics are not talking about.
Papa, Biko, please.
Okay.
I'm not happy.
Take care of yourself.
Bye-bye, no. Bye-bye.
Nna, you will take Pap
and akara. So I can be able to take your drugs. Let me go inside there. Ndo, sorry. Ndo. Sorry. Oh, you lie down. Sorry, what? Let me get your food.
Nobody knows who they shoot them from behind.
Ndo. Mayo. Let me get your food.
Hi.
Doctor, good morning.
Good morning.
Has he woken up?
He was transferred to another hospital this morning.
What? Transferred? Who did that, please?
His people did.
But I saw his daughter driving off and I didn't see him inside her car.
Exactly, we saw her.
No, his wife made arrangements with the MD to fly him abroad. We don't have equipment here to support him.
Oh my God.
And besides, this hospital was attacked last night. Thank God for the security men that chased them up by now.
Sorry, hold on a second, doctor. Are you saying the chances of His Highness surviving is very slim? Like, is there hope for survival?
Yes, it is. We don't have the equipment here, like I said.
Okay.
His chances of survival in this hospital is very slim. And this hospital was attacked.
What?
Yes, yesterday night.
Goodness.
I think they want him dead.
I don't get. Why would they want him dead?
Okay, thank you very much, doctor. Thank you very much for the information.
Yeah, thank you. I'll take my leave.
This doesn't sound good. Who would want him dead?
Because he has enemies here. I think since that stupid soldier came back, he has been having issues with everyone, fighting everyone. That's why my father has issues with him. In fact, I'm so confused about what's happening right now. I don't know.
Babe, just calm down. Let's think of something.
I need to think. We need to think.
Just hold on, let me help you. Hold on, I'll help you. Sorry.
Thank you. Yeah! Yeah! My darling is over the ocean. I warned you. Have you seen it? Lover boy. I warned you. Yeah. My lover boy. My darling is over the ocean. Darling is over. Even what kind of people? Princess, you slapped me!
You shut up your mouth!
Princess, you slapped me!
I said shut up your dirty mouth. Stay off his lane and mind your business. What is wrong with you? As old as you are, you are mocking him. Don't you see the white hair, grey hair on your head? You don't have sense. You don't have sense, won't you? You don't have sense, Abi? The next time you try this nonsense again, I will just... No, go and call the police, or rather, call that your criminal son. I am waiting for you here. Call him. What I'll just slap you. Now, look at you. Old foolish man. Useless man. Baby, are you okay?
My red cap! My red cap on the floor!
Shut up!
Chike! Lover boy Pakiwa! Igwe must hear this. Igwe will hear this, my red cap on the floor. Hey!
Should have slapped that man. That's an old man. Imagine seeing this guy fall down now. This man fall down now, can't die. What's he for do?
If he dies, we'll just throw him away now.
You see? God. As me.
I like the way you said God. Babe, on a serious note, no man mocks my man and goes scot-free. Okay? I mean, if I catch those people that did this to you, babe, their body go tell them. I go give them wotoporously.
Okay. Be calming down. See, everywhere is highly volatile. Okay, so okay, go.
Babe, now that brings me to what I wanted to say.
Yes.
Tell me what you need here. Okay? Let's leave this place. It's not safe for you. Okay? I didn't tell you. I got a place in town. We can stay there until you recover. But let's leave here.
It's not safe. Alright? Just tell me what you need and I'll go take them and we'll leave.
You know what?
What?
You worry too much. Nothing will happen to me. Nothing will happen to us here. Okay? So, calm down.
Babe, I wouldn't wait until the thing happens. Safety first.
And you know what? Nothing will happen to us here. Okay? I think that I am becoming a liability to you now. I can't wait to stand on my feet, be active again and do stuff for myself.
And who is complaining? Am I complaining? Did I complain to you?
No, you don't have to complain, but man.
Shh. Babe, just tell me what you need and I'll go get it.
What do I need?
Or we can just go get new stuff.
Should have slapped that man. That's an old man. Imagine say this guy fall down now. This man fall down now, can't die. What if I do?
If he dies, we'll just throw him away now.
You see? God. As me.
I like the way you said God. Babe, on a serious note, no man mocks my man and goes scot-free. Okay? I mean, if I catch those people that did this to you, babe, their body go tell them. I go give them notoriously.
Okay. Be calming down. See, everywhere is highly volatile. Okay, so okay, cool.
Babe, now that brings me to what I wanted to say.
Yes.
Tell me what you need here. Okay? Let's leave this place. It's not safe for you. Okay? I didn't tell you. I got a place in town. We can stay there until you recover. But let's leave here. It's not safe. Alright? Just tell me what you need and I'll go take them and we'll leave.
You know what?
What?
You worry too much. Nothing will happen to me. Nothing will happen to us here. Okay? So, calm down.
Babe, I wouldn't wait until the thing happens. Safety first.
And you know what? Nothing will happen to us here. Okay? I think that I am becoming a liability to you now. I can't wait to stand on my feet, be active again and do stuff for myself.
And who is complaining? Am I complaining? Did I complain to you?
No, you don't have to complain, but man.
Shh. Babe, just tell me what you need and I'll go get it.
What do I need?
Or we can just go get new stuff.
Ezemo, where are you rushing to? Where are you rushing to? You collected bribe from Onwa and gave the throne of this community to him, and you think you can go scot-free? Ezemo, ndị baa esi d'ọkụkọ n'ihu arụ, ala achụbụ ya ọsọ. Ala achụbụ na gị Ezemo. Listen, you think you can escape from the evil you invited in this village? It's not possible. You can't.
Ikenga, mfeyi. Mmeayi. Ikenga, I did what I needed to do. Honorable is still battling with what you did to him. If the gods said that Onwa will not last on the throne, let the gods take him. We did what was good for our people.
You lie. You did nothing. Listen, let me tell you. Ezemo, let me tell you. I am Ikenga. Ndị basi di pamara eziokwu. Aka azụbara ya. Maka na ọkụkọ n'ihu arụ, a na-achụbụ ya ọsọ. A na-achụbago gị. A na-achụbago gị. A na-achụbago gị. Listen, let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. I am not afraid of you. I am not afraid of you. Ezemo, I'm not afraid of you. If you try any rubbish, I will beat the hell out of you. I am a soldier. I'm not afraid of you. I spent so many years in the war. Not people like you that will play with me. I'm telling you what you did in this village. I am not afraid of you, Ezemo. You can't do anything. You can't do anything. If you don't reverse what you people did in this village, Ezemo, you will not only lose your life, but your entire generation will be wiped out.
May our mother punish you. Ikenga drum. Ikenga Honorable still battling with what you did to him. Say Anebu Acharebu.
Nena, I know I haven't been at my best behavior. I know I've not been myself. But honestly, I am not taking you for granted. Nena, we have come a long way. You've been by my side for a very long time. And I'm sorry I didn't realize the virtues you possess.
Nnamdi, you are saying all this because Ike has shown interest in me. Or is it because your mother has given you a hit? Or probably you are saying it out of pity. You know, when a man wants to build a house, he sits down and checks the cost. You've always loved Rose from the beginning. And now she's about getting married in a few days' time.
Nena, Rose and her stories are dead to me. Honestly, I just realized we're meant to be together. Yes. You're that love I've been searching for. Yes. Rose and her stories are dead to me. Nena, I love you. And I've always loved you. But the truth is, this time is on a different level.
Wait. So, because Ike has shown interest, you now want to possess your possession?
It's not like that. Nena, it's not like that, but technically, yes. I've just realized that you are that treasure I cannot lose.
Well, I don't know what to say to you right now. I just need time to myself, okay? I'll pray about it. And if it is the will of God for us to be together, fine. If it is not, I'll still let you know, okay? You know, love is blind, but marriage is an eye-opener. I don't want to make mistakes.
So, for how long should I wait?
Patience is a virtue, my dear. Yes. You too can as well go on your knees and ask God if I am actually the perfect will for you. Not because we've known for years, okay? I believe in God's perfect plan. Well, let me go and get you food to eat.
Our love is powerful, more than the ocean. No matter what they do against us, we will stay stronger. And you know
What I'm saying is that today is a very good day. Yes, I've been praying for a day like this to happen. And it has come.
Our love is strong, stronger than the wind. Our love is powerful, more than the ocean. No matter what they do against us, we will stay stronger and united. And I will love you, love you, love you for the rest of my life.
Hey, that's no problem. I told you that. So shall it be. I'm here with you.
Thank you very much.
I would like both of you to come and see me in 2 weeks' time.
No problem. That's not a problem. I am very grateful.
Papa, no problem.
Thank you very much. Okay. You know, probably in about that 2 weeks' time, I'll still come back with my wife and then bring in more.
Mr. Barry.
Yes?
This is the end of the road for you.
What do you mean? The end of the road for me. Today is my traditional marriage with my wife. How?
You are a murderer.
What? Barrister, what are you talking about?
Please, it's a wrong identity. Not me. I'm not a murderer.
He is a murderer and a thief.
I said I am not a murderer. I don't even know who you people are. Who are you and what are you doing with the policemen? Today that is my traditional marriage.
I don't understand. What are you talking about, Barrister? This man here is a good man and he is my husband.
Exactly.
What the hell are you talking about?
You called him a good man.
Yes! Yes!
This man is a murderer and a thief. You accused Nnamdi of being a thief while you are the thief. You also killed Igwe. You frauded people. And we have seen the house you are building and other things you're doing. We have retrieved it. We have retrieved all of them. So, officer,
Barrister!
Arrest this
man.
man.
You can't arrest
Mr. Barry,
my husband!
you are under arrest.
You cannot arrest my husband!
And anything you say will be used against you in the court.
Oh, really? No, you will arrest me too! For what?
Young lady, it's better
Arrest
you leave him now.
You can't arrest my husband!
Officer, arrest this man! Let's go!
No, please, you don't have to handle me. Baby, don't worry, I'll take care of this, okay?
You have the right to remain silent.
No problems, but please, nobody should just harass me.
Nobody knows who they shoot them from behind.
Don't worry. Don't worry.
Let's go.
Kitty, kitty, kitty. Boom, boom, boom. It happened for the palace.
Let's go.
Karma can be slow, but one day it will find you. The quest for power. The quest for money.
Huh? Hey! Why would this be happening today?
The quest for money. Desperation.
Nine. The shame is too much. She refused to eat nor speak with me. Anywhere I go, they insulted and laughed at me. What do we do?
Hi.
Yes.
We are finished. We are finished, yo. We are finished. Hi. Igwe is dead. Ezemoa is dead. Huh? Who knows the next person? Huh? The evil that we did is coming after us, one after the other, oh, one by one. Hey!
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 Hey! What? Hey! Ibualo! Ibualo! Hey! Your greed has killed us! Did you people kill Nandi's father? Eh? Did you?
He was so stubborn, even when no one offered him the job in his company and made him assistant manager, yet he refused
to give him the throne. So Onwa killed him. I know he was going to kill him, but I couldn't do anything because he bribed me and made me Jono.
Nai, you are nothing but a wicked man. You people are wicked. You people are wicked. Can you see what is happening? Did you see what you just caused? You are saying it now. You are saying it. You are very wicked. You are very, very wicked.
He gave me plenty of money.
What am I living for? What wrong have I done?
Arrest him.
My son is innocent.
Arrest him.
You are lucky both of you are not married yet. Otherwise, you all will be in jail now. He will remain there until I get all my money to the last penny.
I'm actually short of words right now. I don't know what to say, but boss, please.
Please?
Why? Why did you do this? Look at me, I'm talking to you. Why? It's okay. You just have to calm down, please. The thing is that we have to bury our parents and not the other way around. From what you calculated, where did you get 200k from? I thought it's 3 million naira. Where did you get extra 200k from?
Don't let me know. What is wrong? What's wrong with you? Are you stupid? Now take your time, oh. What was the meaning of this? I'm sorry. You're sorry for what?
Man, what is going on here?
Can you imagine?
Did you touch her?
Oh Lord, please help me. Help me, Lord.
did I do? Somebody help! Somebody help! No!
I loved you. I thought what we had was going to last. The news of your attack. I miscarried our baby. And now you're gone. At this point, I think I'll just leave. Yeah. I mean, your daughter wants me gone. You'll forever be in my heart.
Not so fast. You and Barry both plotted to eliminate my father just to take over his company. You opened a chain light account and diverted millions into that account. Am I right? You are just a thief. You're a criminal. You want to run me streets? You think I'm daft?
A beautiful thief.
Madam. It's not true.
I know you now.
Catch me.
Don't. You are a scammer. You are a criminal.
Please.
You are a criminal. And you will rot in hell. You will rot in jail. Oh no, she. Barawo. Thief. When thief, it's yours. Look at this. It's yours. Criminal. It's yours. Oh, sorry. I love you. Under fire, it's yours. It's yours. You will rot in hell.
For the gods, desperation has turned the man to beast. They will do anything just to test the power. They will kill anybody to have power. That is evil. Them say, who the couple feet to make you wear the crown? But now is the story for the gods. Desperation has turned the man to beast. They will do anything just to test the power. They will kill anybody to have power. That is evil. Remember, now what your son scatter. Nobody knows who they shoot them from behind. Oh, betrayals. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Boom, boom, boom. They happen for the palace, yo. Come on, can't be slow. But one day it will find you. Ah, yeah. Ah, yeah. The quest for power. Ah, yeah. The quest for money. Ah, yeah. Desperation. Desperation. Ah, yeah. Betrayals. I say, oh, the quest for power. Scatter. Nobody knows who they shoot them from behind. Oh, betrayals. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Boom, boom, boom.